And we're going to stay with France as we close out this edition of Newsday and take you back to the capital of Paris, where we can see the sights of the Eiffel Tower.
Hello there. Sunday brought a volatile mix of weather across the UK. Sunny skies 1 minute, thunderclouds the next, ominous looking skies across Lincolnshire through Sunday afternoon.
Good morning both, good morning to you too. Well, whilst we're shivering with temperatures below average or just round about average for this time of year, Las Vegas yesterday had its highest temperature ever recorded. It reached 120 Fahrenheit, which is just short of 50 Celsius. Now for us, it's going to remain unsettled as we go through this week, feeling cool for the time of year. Now for Wimbledon today, there is a chance of a shower, and then later on we'll see the cloud thicken as the rain comes in. And tomorrow, well, a similar story. Could well be some disruption as wet weather pushes across the Wimbledon area. But these temperatures too are below average for this time of year. John and Sarah.
What about next week? Any sign?
Oh, I would love to say yes, John.
But you won't. One day, Carol.
One day.
Thank you for
Maybe
that.
next year.
Oh dear, so more disruption at Wimbledon, and it was a pretty wet Formula One action yesterday as well, which kind of actually makes it a little bit more interesting, maybe.
And wet.
And
yes. Wet. And Carol's gone to the beach. Morning.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. You know, while we're shivering in the UK, in Las Vegas yesterday afternoon, the temperature reached 120 Fahrenheit. That's just short of 49 Celsius. And it's an all-time temperature record for Las Vegas. For us, though, it's going to be a cool day once again today for the time of year. But beautiful weather watcher picture sent in earlier from Conway. Something to bear in mind if you have an allergy to pollen today, well, it's high or moderate across many parts of the UK.
Carol?
It's going to be contrary once again this week, Sarah. Good morning, everybody. Today we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunny spells and a few showers.
We've seen some very dramatic weather patterns on the other side of the Atlantic. Carol, calmer here, I hope.
It certainly is, John, but we've seen a lot of rainfall, especially through the course of the weekend. This chart here shows where we've had heavy rainfall, 80 to 105% of the average rainfall for July. So many of us close to that July average already. Watersham and Essex, more than we'd expect for the whole of the month of July's average rainfall. And if you think we're only a week into July and, well, gosh me, we were looking at a lot falling in just 1 week.